Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason. Welcome to the channel. Today, I want to try out the TileMate. It's a Bluetooth device to help you find the stuff around the house, like your cell phone, your wallet maybe. But for me, this is a hard thing to find around the house. Alright, so first thing is, I'm gonna put this collar on his neck. He's never wearing a collar before, so let's try that first. Okay, he seems liking it. Looks good, right? I think he's okay with it. Nope, just 1 second. We are almost there. Okay. And now this. Yeah. I know. Alright, I think looks pretty good. Like that? Miaomiao? By the way, he's Chinese. Oh, look at that, you can choose different tunes. I'm actually gonna take a photo. How about that? Yo. I can actually see where my cat is. It has a location. That's pretty cool. So sometimes he plays in the yard, so that'll be helpful. Oh, is that enough for today? Let's play hide and seek. Let's go. Come on. Miaomiao, where are you? Miaomiao. 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 Hey, you got a phone call. Miaomiao. Miaomiao. What did I do here? Miaomiao. Miaomiao.